Hi, my name is Justin Conway. I'm a Microsoft Excel expert. I'm going to walk you through the steps to showing numbers as a date in Microsoft Excel. There's a few different ways to do this. I'll cover the easiest way to do it, which is simply to, well, let me first say, if you put any numbers in Excel and they look like a date, Microsoft Excel will automatically format them as a date. So in column C13, I should say cell C13, if we just input 5-13 and click enter, as you can see it populated the rest of the information in there and formatted it as a date. If you have numbers already existing in an Excel sheet and you'd like them, and they're kind of scrambled looking, I don't know if they look something like this, you'd like that to be converted into a date, you need to really format it in a way that Excel will understand it first. And the way to do that is by adding, the easiest way to do that is by adding slashes or dashes in between the numbers that you'd want to create your date. The other way to manipulate the date, if you want a different type of date in that area. So right now we have numbers in cell C13. If I want to change that to an actual written date, this is the way to do it. So you using a laptop, 2 fingers on the mouse pad and click with your thumb. Go to Format Cells, and then under Date in the category area here, you can see it's already formatted to a date format, but you have different options for the type of date that you'd like it to display. So here we can select Wednesday, March 14th, 01. That's just an example of the way it'll display. Click OK, and you can see that it took our numbers and turned it into the actual day and month. And that's the way it'll display in the Excel spreadsheet. That's how to convert numbers to dates in Microsoft Excel. I'm Justin Conway. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks.